Hi everybody, I'm Aaron with DCM Bioservices. Today I'm going to be walking you through installing the media kit for your Agilent Velocity11 VCode Microplate Labeler. Today we're going to be installing the media kit on an empty VCode. If you have a media kit that you're replacing, there's a couple extra steps you'll have to do. First, we're going to power off our VCode and open up the CAD printer. To remove the old media kit, you'll loosen the ribbon spools, remove the label holder, open the take-up wheel, and open the print head. From there, you'll be able to remove the ribbon from both of the ribbon spools and unravel the label from the media take-up spool. To install your new media, we'll first take our labels, place them onto the printer, and lock them in place without pressing too tightly. Now, our labels will run under this bar, out the front, under, and over to the media take-up wheel. This can be then threaded into the prongs on the media take-up wheel and secured with a piece of tape or an extra label. Straighten out the labels as best as possible and close that wheel. Now we'll be installing the ribbon. We'll take our new ribbon, place it onto the spool. While holding the spool in place, turn the green wheel counterclockwise to lock it in place. Now we'll take the provided take-up wheel, do the same thing, hold the spool in place, turn the green wheel counterclockwise till it's locked in place. Now we'll take our ribbon, run it down under the print head, making sure not to go through the media detection sensor. Bring our ribbon up to the take-up wheel and then secure it in place with tape or another label. Straighten out the ribbon as needed and close the print head. Then close your printer and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Subscribe for more lab automation tutorials, and if you don't feel confident performing these tasks on your own equipment, please email us at service@dcmbio.com.